A Turkish court is due to begin handing down verdicts in a conspiracy trial that's divided the nation. Hundreds of people, including lawyers, journalists and a military chief, are accused of plotting to overthrow the government. And Turkey's former army chief İlker Başbuğ is the most senior officer among the defendants. The trial has lasted for 5 years. Some opposition figures say it's politically motivated. It started with the discovery of 27 hand grenades in a house in Istanbul. And the suspects are accused of running a mafia-like terrorist organization. 33 indictments have been submitted. More than 130 witnesses have testified, and there have been 650 hearings.
A Turkish court is passing judgment on a number of people accused of conspiring against the government. Up to 300 politicians, military personnel and businessmen are awaiting verdicts over their alleged part in the decade-long conflict between Turkish Premier Tayyip Erdogan and the country's secularist establishment. Prosecutors maintain a secularist ring, codenamed Ergenekon, kept up a campaign of killings and bombings to trigger a military coup. They've called for life sentences for 64 of the defendants. Former Armed Forces Commander İlker Başbuğ was among them. He denies the charges. Security is tight around the courthouse jail complex, following promises of a show of support for the defendants. Journalist Ahmet Sik, who wrote a book criticising the case, was also arrested. Critics, including the main opposition party, claim the charges are politically motivated.
Just one extraordinary aspect of an incredible trial. The case began 5 years ago. 275 defendants accused of a secret plot. Retired generals, including the former head of the army, are among them, along with politicians, academics and journalists. They're accused of organising the so-called Ergenekon network. It's said to be an ultra-nationalist clandestine group which orchestrates bombings and extrajudicial killings. This alleged shadowy network is accused of plotting to overthrow the Islamist-rooted government. It's a highly politicised case which has polarised Turkish society and illustrated the deep divisions between secular groups and supporters of the government who want to increase the practice of Islam and reduce the role of the military.
Few members of the Turkish population understand the intricacies of what is considered the trial of the century in Turkey.
I don't understand anything about the Ergenekon trial. If anyone gets what's going on, I'd love for them to explain it to me, though I doubt they could, as no one understands it.
On Monday, the judges will decide the fate of the 275 who stand accused in a trial which has had a profound influence on Turkish political life.